This is what it's like to play this game with basic upgrades. So you got move speed, capacity, and profits up. Let me show you. So he's moving very, very slow, as you can see. Come over here. He picks up about 4 burgers, goes over, and look how it's very, very slow movement. Passes it down. Yep, off you go. And the game, it's hard because you're like, come on, bro, put some speed in those damn legs. I want to move around quicker. I want to like do stuff faster. So we're gonna upgrade now. And this is what it's like to play this game with full upgrades. As you can see, move speed is full, capacity is full, and profits up. Oh, let's run around. Yo, this is so much faster. Wow. Okay. It's unbeatable. You can't compete. You cannot compete with Born on the Table. Oh, another machine's opened up. Yes, I like this. It's so much smoother now. The guy was like proper running around slow. He's like, ah. But now we got some speed. Ah, slick. Same. We want the same color. Want the same color. Where is it? Where the hell is it gone? Oh, it was upgrading the other one. I see. Okay. But they look good. How many can we actually take? Whoa, we got a lot there. Alright, you come over here. Take your... What's going on? Is there a problem? Oh, okay. Look at the profit.